just got a little bit of the base score. Well, it's the same vid. Oh yeah, what's up, boys? Getting the vid now. Oh, this guy goaltending. Vid the whole time. Holy.
You got there late, but you do have to like the aggressiveness to go after the ball. Putting on a clinic on how to share the
Yeah,
ball.
Favors got full.
Mentality they've had. If a shot isn't there, they're not forcing anything. They're moving it side to side and working to get it first checked in for Utah. The whistle that time. That'll be his third foul so far. Norris Cole is checked in for Miami. Favors dishes to Hayward. Here's Cole. No good there. And so it's Utah easily grabbing the win.
Oh, that kid's offline already. Tay-Tay's offline for 30 minutes. Okay.
Waking up in a dream, sleepwalking, I'm in your name, and you're so far away from the place I used to be, struggling.